I'm Justin Prestige, owner of Custom Trailer Pros, and today I'm so excited to be here with Brian Morrison. We're in Platte City, Missouri up here, just north of Kansas City. And so Brian, what I like about your story, as we were talking before, is this isn't your first go-around. How did you get started as a food truck vendor?
Actually, so I was an over-the-road truck driver and doing that for years and years and years, and I always wanted to start my own food truck. So I started out with an enclosed trailer, built it myself, got it up and running, and once I got that opened, I never looked back to my old